Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Asiwaju and his progressive team stood solidly behind the candidature of President Muhammadu Buhari. My simple question, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, where were the new members of what I call the Buhari's Church of Latter-day Saints? Why were they? We knew where the political loyalty lies in that particular convention when President Muhammadu Buhari emerged as the presidential candidate of the APC. Why were they? And some people say anything goes in politics. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, not everything goes in politics. We shall have minimal thresholds below which we won't operate. And the irreducible minimum is that after 8 years of presidency in the North, the logic, common sense, equity, justice, and fairness demands that power should move to the southern part of the country.